morning. Today we are at the Point Lobos State Reserve near Carmel, California on the Pacific coast. This is the place that has been called the greatest meeting of land and water on Earth. And it certainly is a very pretty area. So we're going to hike the Point Lobos Loop and take a look around at all the scenic coves and bays and wildlife. So let's go. From Weston Beach, we'll hike along the shore trail to China Cove for some great views of Bird Island. Then we hike through the forest over to Whalers Cove, ending at Granite Point and great views of Carmel. Then it's out towards the tip of Point Lobos with a great view across Cypress Cove of Big Dome. From there we'll see the crashing surf and return via the coast trail to the car. On the Point Lobos Loop Trail, hanging right over here towards China Cove. We're heading out to Pelican Point and China Cove. And there is a view north towards Carmel and beyond it, Pebble Beach. Cold Shoot Point. This sounds interesting. Let's go. Now let's take a look at Granite Point. We're up on top of Granite Point at the north end of the reserve, and from here you can get a great view along the coast towards Carmel and the Monterey Peninsula. Heading back towards Point Lobos itself. Some spectacular scenery again, so hang on. And here's a view of Coal Chute Point across Whalers Cove. And now a long line of stairs up a steep hill. And from the top, a view of Bluefish Cove. Point Lobos is said by many to be the model for Robert Louis Stevenson's island in Treasure Island. And the big hill, called Big Dome, which we'll see in a minute, is the model for Spyglass Hill. And now we're sitting on top of Whalers Knoll and looking over at Big Dome. Again, Big Dome is the supposed model for Robert Louis Stevenson's Spyglass Hill in Treasure Island. And panning to the right, Carmel and the Monterey Peninsula. And here's a classic view looking across Cypress Cove right towards Big Dome. Up in the left-hand corner, you can just see the coast where Carmel is. Now let's wander out to the Point Lobos itself. And there's one last look at Point Lobos itself. And we're going to continue to follow the coast trail back to the car.